Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be doing a Cushcore install video for anyone who's never done it before.
When you get your Cushcore, you need to stretch it over the rim. So it's quite difficult to stretch, it's a little bit tight. So what I do what's called the gut technique. Start at the valve and put it on the rim so it's tight. Stick it into your gut, nice and tight, bend over, and then work your way around the rim, stretching the Cushcore as you go until it's fitted. Now you can use this technique for mountain bike tyres, road bike tyres, as well as Cushcore. Very effective, makes life a lot easier, but you got to get it deep in the gut, bend over to hold it in the right place, and work your way around the sides. Double check to make sure it's not the old shitty tyre. Aha. Well, it's not new, but it's new for me, which is good enough. So that's freewheeling, so the tyre spins that way, check our direction that way, happy days. So the instructions say to put the Cushcore inside the whole tyre before trying to fit either side of the bead. So we'll start with that. There we go. Alright. So now we've got the tyre on the outside of the rim and the Cushcore together. So the technique that they show you to use is basically a press down and up under the Cushcore to get the tyre to sit underneath and as far into the channel of the tyre as you can get it. Alright, so we'll start at the valve stem. Lift the Cushcore up. You can feel the Cushcore underneath here, so we'll see it there. Alright. Lift the Cushcore up and feed the tyre in. So let's work our way around. Really try to get as much tyre pushed down on the tyre so that when you lever it in, there's plenty of tyre in there. Alright, so now we're about stuck. So we've got it in pretty much most of the way around, except now we've got this little bit at the end. And right now, no amount of gut technique or no amount of finger strength is going to help you. You just need to get yourself some good tyre levers, preferably made of steel so they don't snap, and then work your way around. Alright, continue to push it into the center of the channel, so it'll make life easier for you later. Alright, that's one side done. Same technique for the other side. Push the tyre down, lever it up and into the channel. Alright, so that is Cushcore inside. So there's a little trick. Once you've removed the valve core, to get the sealant in without spraying sealant all over the place, push the tyre down and you can hear the air come out. As you're tipping the sealant in, lift the tyre up, and what that does is it sucks the air in. If you push the tyre down, it'll blow air out and it'll blow sealant all over the place. Push down first and then lift the tyre up as you're installing the sealant. This is an air tank pump. It says air tank. The idea is that when you close this valve, the air stores up inside the air tank, and then when you open the valve, it comes rushing out. Okay. 200 psi. Oh, there we go, that sounds good. Oh, that sounds even better. That's about 40 psi. Give it a bit of a bounce.